Hi, Darshad Dhruv Roy. I run this beautiful set of restaurant by Olive, which is the main Olive, the Grammar Room and Bar Sarai. So we are part of Times Food Award from last almost 10 years, but we are winning this from last 2 years in the category of Best Western European for Olive and Best Casual Dine Out for Sarai. Today we are here celebrating the Spices by Aureka, which is a collaboration between What's Hot and powered by Times of India. So today we are doing two special recipes using the two ingredients by Aureka. One is of course the kava and the second is peri peri, which is quite fragrant and delicious in a way. So let's start with a dessert, which is the kava mango trifle, by using this beautiful spice mix by Aureka, which is the kava spice mix from Kashmir. So of course we're using mangoes which is in season, and we are doing a very comfort recipes with this unique ingredients like mascarpone, coconut milk, mangoes, almonds, aam papar, gulukan. I'm going to garnish the entire thing with the gold leaf or a silver leaf, whatever is available in your pantry. And of course we're doing this beautiful trifle with the sponge, which is completely eggless and made with coconut. We're going to take 150 gram of mascarpone, which has already been infused with 10 grams of kava. So 50 ml of coconut cream. I'm going to add like 50 grams of chopped mangoes, around 15 grams of almond flakes, around 15 grams of aam papar. After adding everything, we need to slightly whip it. Don't over whip it because mascarpone might split. It's quite complicated cheese to work with. And now we are ready with our trifle base. Let's layer up our trifle. First, I'm going to place the sponge over here. I'm going to add this gulukan or a rose marmalade. I'm going to throw some mascarpone mousse. Add the sponge made out of coconut and again the mousse. So this will go into the refrigerator. We need to rest it for like few hours. Now our trifle is ready. It's slightly chilled, cold and rested well. So we're going to garnish the whole thing with the leftover gulukan on the top, some almond flakes, and we're going to throw some elegant gold dust. So here your kava mango trifle with coconut sponge is ready. Okay, let's start our second recipe, which is with Aureka peri peri spice. I think it's quite nice, flavorful, spicy and fragrant in a way. For this, we're gonna take some cheese, some jalapeno, some brine from jalapeno, the water which comes out of a jalapeno, some wine of course, and of course your peri peri spice, which I've already taken it out. So let's start our peri peri spice cheese fondue. We're gonna add white wine. Chopped jalapenos, you can take any chilies of your liking. The brine, which is from the same jalapenos, which will add like extra zing to it. And then peri peri spice, I'm gonna add like a spoonful. So once your base liquid is ready and it's nice and boiling, I'm gonna add my cheese. Keep whisking it. Make sure keep whisking it in between. I'm gonna add little milk and I'm done. Your fondue is almost ready. So now your fondue is ready. I'm going to pour the entire thing in my beautiful fondue pot. So your fondue is ready, which you can have with the croutons made in-house with any bread. French fries simply salted with salt. Steamed broccoli without any salt because this has enough salt in it. So yeah, it can be a great evening snack and maybe your lunch. Please enjoy.